Hello. Today I would like to explain about the Taylor's formula. Taylor's formula, a function of two variables. You know about what is the Taylor's formula in the function for the function of one variable. So what will be the Taylor's formula in the case of a function of two variable, right? So this can be done by using the derivation of the second derivative test. So I would like to explain this only, that is the Taylor's formula for the function of two variable. This is equal to the Taylor's formula is given by Taylor's formula for f of xy at a point AB, at a point AB. Suppose f of xy and its partial derivatives through order n plus 1 are continuous throughout an open rectangular region R centered at a point AB. Then throughout R, f of a plus h, b plus k equal to f of ab plus h into fx plus k into fy at point ab plus 1 by 2 factorial into h square fxx plus 2h fxy plus k square into fxy at the point ab plus 1 by 3 factorial into h cube fxxx plus 3h square fxxy plus 3hk square fxx yy plus k cube fyy at the point AB. That is, this can be studied very easily by using this h cube fxx. H power is 3, so this is h is based on this k increment. X increment x is denoted by h and increment y is denoted by k. So h cube, when h cube comes in this definition, then fxxx 3x 3h square k means this is 2x and 1y. 3hk square comes, then 1x and 2y. Then k cube corresponding to this fyy plus 1 by n factorial into h into dou by dou x plus k into dou by dou y raised to n of f at the point AB. That is, this is dou by h into dou by dou x plus k into dou by dou y raised to 3 is this one. So this is at the nth term plus at the n plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial into h into dou by dou x plus k into dou by dou y raised to n plus 1 of f at the point a plus e, ch, b plus ak. Okay, so at the origin, this is the Taylor's formula at the point AB. What will be the Taylor's formula at origin? That is the Maclaurin series in the case of the function of one variable. So f of xy equal to f of 0, 0 plus x into fx plus y into fi plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square fxx plus 2xy into fxy plus y square into fyy plus 1 by 3 factorial x cube fxxx plus 3x square y fxxy plus 3xy square into fxyy plus y cube into fyy plus etc. plus 1 by n factorial into x dou by dou x plus y dou by dou y raised to n into f plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial into x dou by dou x plus y dou by dou y raised to n plus 1 into f at the point cx cy. This is the Taylor's formula for the f of xy at the origin. Okay, and next consider this example. Find the quadratic f of xy equal to sin x sin y near the origin. How accurate is the approximation if mod x less than or equal to 0.1, mod y less than or equal to 0.1? First of all, we have to find out the Taylor's approximation. So this is a Taylor's approximation at the origin. F of xy equal to f of 0, 0 plus x into fx plus y into fi plus 1 by 2 into x square fxx plus 2xy fxy plus y square into fyy plus 1 by 3 factorial, that is 1 by 6 into x cube fxx plus 3x square y fx xy plus 3xy square fx y plus y cube into fy at the point cx cy. And what will be f of 0 0? That is 0. Fx is cos x sin y at the point 0 0 is 0. Fy at the point 0 0 is 0. This is sin x into derivative of sin y, that is cos y. So sin x cos y is fy at the point 0 0, that's equal to 0. Next is fxx means derivative of fx with respect to x. And derivative of this one means derivative of cos x minus sin x sin y. This is at the point 0 0, which is equal to 0. Fxy means derivative of fy with respect to x. Fy with respect to x or fx with respect to y. This can be done very easily. That is, fy is derivative of this with respect to x. That is, sin x derivative is cos x. So the answer is cos x cos y. At the point 0 0 means that's equal to 1. Next is fyy, that's equal to fyy means derivative of this with respect to y. So derivative of cos y is minus sin y. So this is minus sin x sin y, that's equal to 0. So this is approximately equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0, 1 by 2 into x square into 0 plus 2xy 1 plus y square into 0. This is approximately same as x into y. So the error will be equal to, error will be the next term. Error will be the next term, that is 1 by 6 into the third term. For the quadratic expression, we have the error will be the third degree term, and if the cubic expression, if we need cubic approximation, then error will be the fourth order term. Okay, so this will be the error. Then taking the modulus on both sides, so total of taking modulus, mod a plus b less than or equal to mod a plus mod b. So this is less than or equal to 1 by 6 into each one is equal to 0.00134. The error will not exceed 0.0000134. The error must be less than or equal to 0.00134. Okay, this is a answer for the Taylor's approximation for function f of xy at the point 0 0. This is a quadratic approximation. Okay, next we have to do the problem in this. We have to do problem. This is gradient approximation, extreme values. I have to do problem corresponding to this. Okay, so do it, and if any doubt, please ask me. Okay, thank you.